So first, we need to understand what is Airdrop. Airdrop is a transport service provided by Apple using its macOS system and iOS system. It provides a transfer way between macOS, so the Macintosh computer, and iOS device. They use a wireless signal, for example Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, to transfer those files. So first is turn your computer on and make sure its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is all open. The next thing you want to do is open the file you want to be transferred to the computer. And click on this button. Here. Click on Airdrop and choose your destinations. And then you will receive this message on your computer. Just make sure you click accept and save it to downloads. Next thing, you just wait it, and here we go. It will be automatically saved into your download files, and you can drag this and save anywhere else as you want. So this time I'm gonna show you guys how to save your docs file onto your computer. First, open your docs file. And then please click on the top 3 dots and click share. Make sure you click the Airdrop button, that's the logo, and click on the computer. And then it's still the same thing, just click accept and it will be automatically saved into your download files. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer your sound files. So first, click on the voice recorder and pick a sound file. Click the 3 dots and click on share, this logo, remember, and no, okay, click on the Airdrop, choose destinations on computer, and yeah, again it's here, we just click accept and it will be able to automatically save into our download drives. Thanks you guys for watching this video, and I'm hoping see you again after Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas, and see you then.